Hello there and welcome back. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. I'm going to be showing off my favorite lightsaber fonts. I've showcased a bunch of fonts on my channel before, but mainly only in unboxing videos. But this video is going to be purely dedicated to just the fonts. If you don't know what a font is, it is basically just the sound that will be coming out of the saber. Each lightsaber has different sound banks or sound fonts that you can scroll through to select different ones. The cool thing about NeoPixels like these is that they can sound like anybody's lightsaber and even things out of the Star Wars universe. So I hope that sums up what I'm going to be doing here today. I've handpicked 15 different fonts. Some of them are in Star Wars, some of them aren't. It's going to be very universal and different. I think this is going to be one of my more fun videos to watch for sure. I do want to say I didn't make any of these fonts myself. I just installed them onto the saber. I will have the font creators down in the description so you can go find where I got each one of these. And yeah, that's really about it. There's really not much else to say. I hope I've explained it well, and I hope you enjoy. See? Already one down.
Anakin's gone. I am what remains.
They were the only family I knew, and he slaughtered them.
Initiate Security Protocol 115.
They're like animals, and I slaughtered them like animals.
A balance.
Kylo Ren. Anything else?
Snippets.
Showtime.
Misako Jar Jar Binks.
Second sister.
Master Skywalker, there are too many of them. What are we going to do?
I am the Senate.
Green.
I knew this was gonna happen.